Hello and welcome to Skills Exceed, your go-to channel for mastering Excel and IT skills. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most useful features in Excel, splitting cells. Whether you're organizing messy data, working with large data sets, or simply trying to clean up a list, splitting cells can save you hours of manual work. So, let's get started. Splitting cells means breaking down the content of one cell into multiple cells. For example, splitting full names into first and last names, or separating data by a specific delimiter like a comma or space. In this video, I'll guide you through the text to columns method step by step. Let's start with the text to columns method. This is the most straightforward way to split cells. Here's how you do it. Select the column containing the data you want to split. Press Ctrl, Shift, down key, then go to the Data tab in the ribbon and click on Text to Columns. Choose the delimiter that separates your data. For example, if it's a space, select Space. Select the destination cell to appear data if you want to keep your original data as well. Click Next and then Finish. And just like that, your data is now split into separate columns. Easy, right? Now here's a data set for you to practice with. Use this table to try out the text to columns feature. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Skills Exceed for more Excel tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.